Okay guys, so this is trading view. So to set up your trading view, you need these currencies reflecting here. So to do that, you just need to click on click on this arrow to add. All right, you need to click on that arrow to add when you come to your watch list. All right, so we are under watch list. Okay, as you can see right there. So you're going to tap here to add any other one you want to add. So you type the name. For example, you want to add BTC. BTC is right there, so you click on that. So you can always search for it here, put in the name, and then once you have seen what you're looking for, click add. All right, so if we go back now, you will see that we have added BTC. All right, so BTC is currently trading at 34,000 naira, $34,000. Sorry. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do in setting up your trading view is to come here. Let's click on any of them. Right, to open. So this is what we see first. The dollar euro is on a downward trend as the dollar becomes more strengthened against the euro. So dollar is still going up, still getting strengthened by the day. All right, so you have that. So what you need to do is come to this arrow here, to come here, tap on that. So when you tap on that, it's going to reveal to you every other thing that you need to see. By the way, you have some news to read here. All these are all fundamental analysis. All these news, they are fundamental analysis as far as we are concerned. So right here, you can also see 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, and so on and so forth. So you come here and you click this. When you tap on that, it's going to open here. Now, mine is opening like this because I've already set it up. So all you need to do is check what I have set up. What I have set up here is I have ROSI. Here I have ROSI, as you can see right here. Okay. Then I also have zones. I have what they call the Fibonacci zones. Very important for us. And then there's something else on this that is not yet showing here. Okay. It's the Fibonacci retracement. So, but then we need to set it up first for us to see. So you are going to come, let's produce this a little bit up. So I'm going to tap here. Look at where I am tapping. So you are well guided. I'm going to tap here. Right. So when I tap there, it's going to reveal to me options. So it's fib retracement. That's what I want to start. Okay, so you can see that I have started them. The fib's time zone, the fib retracement. I've started them, so they are always on my chart. So right now I'm going to tap on fib retracement. So first things first, you want to see what it looks like. That's it right there. That's the fib retracement right there. That's it right there. So we want to tap and open it and see our settings. All right, we want to tap and open to reveal our settings. All right, so we want to see our settings. Just a moment. Fib retracement. We want to see our settings. A moment, please. So here you will have our settings. Let me go back. So I'm going to tap here to reveal our settings. So you see where I tap. So I'm going to tap again. So you know exactly where I tap to reveal the settings. That 3 dots, those 3 horizontal dots. So I'm going to tap there to reveal settings. So you come to settings. When you open the settings, allow it to load. All right, so when you open the settings, this is what you will see. Under style, take note, we are under style, under style. We have style, we have coordinate, we have visibility, all right? So, but we're going to be on under style. So under style, leave the first, just click on the trend lines, okay, and put it on any color of your choice. Unmark these ones, just as you are seeing it here. Under the first one, you put 0. As you can see, that's what you have there, 0. The next one is 0.33. The next one is 0.66. And then the next one is 1. Then on, don't enable the rest. Just leave the rest alone as they are. As you can see, leave the rest alone. Leave this on prices and levels and so on and so forth. And then click OK. All right, click OK. That's basically what it should be. Coordinates, leave it the way it is. These are our coordinates. Just leave it the way it is. That is 1.0. That's the setting. Ensure that is what you have there. Visibility, this is how it should be. All right, just leave it the way it is. The most important place is the style. Okay, this is the most important thing you need to be sure is in order here. Be sure that is in 0. Here is here, here, and here. Unmark the other ones. Okay, so once that is done, you click OK. So that's how you set up. All right. So now, once your setup is complete, then you now, I want to quickly show you how to use the tool. All right. I want to quickly show you how to use the tool as we begin to trade. All right. So BTC, I say BTC, Euro is on a downtrend. You can see it has even broken the Fibonacci zone. Once that is broken, it's going down. All right. So we now want to pick pick something here. So we come to the Fibonacci that we have already set up. We tap on it, and then now the question: do you want to buy or do you want to sell? You know, Forex is about buying and selling. Now, if you are buying, you pick the highest top and the lowest top. Highest top, lowest top. That is within the Fibonacci zone. All right. In this case now, we're going to pick that green bar there, and we're going to pick the lowest bottom here. All right. So we're going to pick, if we are buying, you draw from top to bottom. The Fibonacci retracement is from top to bottom. If you are selling, it's from bottom to top. I'm going to take that again. If you are buying, it's from top to bottom. All right. You draw your Fibonacci retracement from top to bottom. If you are selling, you draw it from bottom to top. So we want to buy. So we're going to place it here, as you can see, on this last. This is the highest peak here for what we can see. All right. Then we tap. We're okay there. All right. Once your ball appears, tap on your ball and drag. Drag to the bottom, the lowest. So you can see that our retracement is from top to bottom. We dragged from top to bottom, and that's it. So we click OK, and that's it. So we are done. Now, how do you take your reading? If you are going to buy, you are going to wait for the movement of price to hit this bar. It has to hit this bar. It has to hit this bar and cross this bar. It must hit that bar and cross that bar. When it crosses that bar, you can now take your first buy at this price here. And the price there is 1.05766. That's the buy price, entry. Okay, then you can take your profit anywhere around here, or you can take your profit on this point, which is 1.055851. You can take your first profit. Your first TP will be there, and then your next TP is going to be here. Second take profit. And then, of course, your stop loss will be here. This will not be your stop loss. So this becomes your TP1, and this becomes TP2. But you can take your, depend on your lot size and your equity, you can take your profit anywhere you want to take your profit. But you must set your stop loss in case the market goes against you. But the truth remains that the standard of this stuff is that anytime it breaks that first red, then the price will go up. And if it keeps going up and it breaks the second red, then we are bullish. It is the second break. Let me show that to you. It is this second break that confirms that we are bullish. This second one. Right? This second one. Once it breaks here, if it breaks here, okay, you can now take your profit somewhere around here. All right, and then cash out. Wait for it to break here. Once it breaks this one, then you know that the market is bullish. Very bullish when it breaks through this last one. So some people begin to, when they observe how their RSI is moving, if it has bottom, as you can see, the RSI is right here. It's already below 30. The general rule is that whenever RSI falls below 30, it's time to buy. And whenever RSI goes above 70, it's time to sell. Okay, but then there are other tools I'll be showing you on your MetaTrader 5 that will help you take a better informed decision when you are trading Forex. Now, this instrument can be used on anything, Bitcoin, any instrument, any Forex instrument at all, whatever you are doing online that has to do with trading, crypto, or Forex. All right, so this can always be used. All right, so that's that. This is for buying. Now, the same thing goes for selling. The same explanation is for selling. If you are going to sell, so I'm going to delete this. I'm going to take this out. All right. So again, let's assume I want to sell. Remember, selling is from top to bottom, from bottom to top. Sorry, selling is from bottom to top. You can see I'm taking the lowest, and I'm also going to drag it to the highest. I took the lowest, and I'm also going to drag it up to the highest. All right, so I can extend. I can always extend to be very sure that your stuff is on the lowest to the highest. That's it. All right, so this is for sell. So assuming the price was coming down, the same thing. Once it breaks this one, once it touches and breaks this one, let's assume the price is coming down. Once it touches, you begin to sell. And if you sell, this will now be your first TP1. If you continue selling, this will be your TP2. While this here, it becomes your stop loss. So this is how you engage in your trade. The same process is just a reverse of the first one. So that's it, guys. So that's how you set up your Fibonacci retracement tool and how you engage the market. But like I said, there are other signals, other trading indicators that will give you a proper go ahead of what you should do. So right now, nobody is entering the market. Probably you have set it to enter at the price that I talked about the other time. So once it breaks, and then you can now go in. And that's how it rolls. So if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to what you do now. You subscribe, and then of course you can like this video if it gives you any value. By the way, my name is Ambassador Sweetness Eagle Gold Glory, founding president of the Zenith Go Getters Club, where we carry out all kinds of trainings that has to do with your finances. Your finances are a priority. Everybody has to be financially stable and then financially free. And that is all we do at the Zenith Go Getters Club. So you're welcome to join us. I will leave links in the description below for you to take the appropriate action. Thank you very much, and God bless you.